I'd like to see at the next CanBIM session a plan for education within our colleges and universities across Canada. So we have skilled youngsters coming into the industry using the technology to draw them in and then train them in engineering afterwards. The technology is what drives our industry, and we need these guys on board young.
I thought actually the format today was really good. Actually, it was really good to have a lot more discussion. So I find in a way, you know, if you're going to have something like this again, it would actually be interesting to maybe have some industry here in terms of some of the suppliers of some of the technology. Would be interesting as well. So
I guess one thing that would be helpful is discussion of what the NBIM's standards are. We talk about that these standards are coming in and how great they will be for our industry, but there's also not that much discussion about what they actually are and what they entail. So I think it would be interesting to really dig down into some of these standards and for more general discussion and clearer understanding would be one good thing that I'd like to see.
There are some specific areas of content that I think at the next session would be really valuable. I'd almost like a chance to ask some of the harder questions, like even to designers. Often we find designers aren't comfortable with making the model the contract document or signing off on things like the quantities and materials and things like that. And not in an accusing way, but I'd like to say, why is that? What about that makes you hesitant? Because for us, that's a roadblock to the value. We need the model to be the contract document.